Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
The current leadership of the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, last week renewed its commitment to completing all projects the Commission initiated in the past that have remained uncompleted to this day in order to cater to the needs of the Niger Delta people. The Governing Board Chairman, Chiedu Ebie, and Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, since their inauguration in October 2023, have propelled the Commission to complete several old projects, amongst which are some big-ticket ones, which are now easing the socio-economic burdens of the people. The Executive Director of Projects, Mr. Victor Antai, disclosed this during a virtual tour of NDDC projects and an interactive session with media professionals in Port Harcourt, River State.
The Commission last week had a parley with media professionals in Port Harcourt, where it reeled out the strides of the current leadership of the Commission across all sectors and states in the region. The Executive Director of Projects, Mr. Victor Antai, while emphasizing the need for continuity in government, noted that the current board is poised to deliver high-impact projects that will facilitate interconnectivity across communities in the Niger Delta.
As far as this NDD, the new board, is concerned, we try as much as possible to complete legacy projects that have direct impact on more than 2 to 3 local government areas.
For his part, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, who joined the engagement via Zoom, said the board will continue to improve on the successes of past administrations, as well as chart new development frontiers in the region.
Legacy projects that we have commissioned are projects that a lot of funds have been sunk in. And I can assure you it is more difficult to complete an old project than even starting a new one to finish. Because one, you have to start with negotiation with a contractor. They come with all sorts of variations, but yet we're able to get them to the discussion table.
Participants at the program commended the Commission for the novel initiative, which they say will inform the general public about the dealings, projects and programs of the Commission.
If you follow stories in the news about the dark past of NDDC, you will want to believe that maybe nothing good will come from Nazareth. But listening to the new board, I'm convinced that the Niger Delta people will smile at last.
Very senior media chiefs having a robust engagement with the very top of the NDDC management, and for them to tell us what they have been doing, what they met, and what they have been doing, what they want to do. So it's really very instructive, and it is going to change the narrative for the region for the better.
The last time we had this program is more than 15 years, maybe because subsequent administration didn't have anything to showcase to the media. But now we are here, and they have shown us projects they have done. I think the NDDC have done well.
The Commission has, however, called on the IOCs operating in the region to release funds owed the NDDC to enable it meet the demands for the completion of abandoned and ongoing projects in the region.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,